welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline and this is Karols Beauty, and today is the day that I am going to do my Jeffree Star Mystery Halloween box unboxing. That was a long sentence. I am so excited. As in all my videos, I'm very excited, but this one I'm really excited because I decided to I decided to buy not the biggest box, but the middle box. But usually I get the smallest one, so I'm getting more items in this one, so I'm excited. This is the box that it comes in, and she is full. And before we get into this unboxing, please remember to subscribe, rise and subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and follow me on my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Everything is at Karols Beauty. Let's just jump straight into this unboxing. So like I was saying, this is the box it came in, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm not gonna lie, I already get peeked inside because I was just so excited to get it. So of course, I gotta peek. So she's already opened, so I'm just gonna show you what I received. So first of all, at the top is a t-shirt. Is a Can't Relate t-shirt, and it's super cute. When I went on the website to buy this box, I kind of went a little late, so a lot of the sizes were sold out. So unfortunately, I couldn't get my size, but I just got it for my sister. And this is what this she's a little wrinkled, and this is what the shirt looks like. It says Can't Relate, and it's like a bone hand. And what's super cute about it is that she got some nails there, so that's cute for her. That's really cute. I like the top, and the material feels really nice. Next in the box is just some little bit of paper. Next we have this liquid skin frost in the shade Frostbite. Honestly, like, why couldn't I wish he would have sent like the peach one, because this is like I love Jeffree Star makeup, but it is true kind of what they say, that you know, he's trying to get rid of some items that don't sell that much, and a white highlighter it really not gonna sell that much. But it's cute, the color is really nice. I just wish it would fit my skin, but that's the thing with these mystery boxes. You don't know, you don't get a chance to pick. It's a mystery, so I'm complaining, but I knew the consequences of buying this box. And this is put a little pump here, and this is what the shade looks like. This is what it is, and it's a nice gorgeous shade if you're like pale white for your skin. This is definitely way too light for my skin. I can use this as like a body shimmer, or like on my collarbone, on my shoulders. You know, she would get used. The next item in the box I'm like super excited because I haven't seen it yet. It's a mystery skin frost. Can you believe it? He said he would have mystery lipstick item, but a skin frost? I'm shook. And the shade is Mystery Frost. Let's see what's in here. It's the same as all his Skin Frost packaging, and the back says Skin Frost Mystery Frost. So let's see. This is so pretty. Oh my god, wow, look at this highlighter. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. So let's see what she looked like. Let's see. Look at that. That is nice. Let's see just a little darker area. Look at that. That's pretty. And let's see. Okay, so I think the black is just on the top, because look, I touched it here and it's like it's smudged off. We swatch all three. So this is the swatch of it. This is the one with the little black speck on it, the peachy side, the more champagne side, and then the darker side. The black looks like it's just like on the top. It doesn't really look like it's inside, because when you touch it, it kind of fades. But that's nice. Let's see it mixed together. So this is everything mixed together. It's so pretty. I'm like, wow, this is really pretty. Definitely Halloweenish. Definitely. It's so pretty. I love it. Love. There's another thing in here that is super wrapped. What could this be? Like, what could this be? Like, I'm so excited. Is it another mystery item? I am shook right now. The mini burger palette. Are you kidding me? This is so nice. This is so nice. Oh, look at it. It's gorgeous. You know, I love the packaging for this one more than the Jawbreaker one. The white with all the colors on it. It's so pretty. Let me see. So excited. Look at it. Is it beautiful? The reason I didn't buy this palette, like I really did like it, but the reason I didn't buy it was because it had 2 shades from like the main palette. I'm just like, I like new shades. I don't want to buy something that everybody has. If it had just the one, I'm like, okay. But 2 shades, I'm like, it's so cute. You know, you got your little wearable shades there. You can definitely create a look out of this. I'm so excited. Oh, if I would have known this was in here, I would have never done this, you know, beautiful, amazing eye look that you can check out in my next video coming up next week. So stay tuned, stay tuned. But yes, it's so pretty. And this look, I created it with the Jawbreaker palette, the Big Daddy, the original. The next here we have the gloss. This is in shade Crystal Kiss. This is the shade. And I know, and I really like his glosses. The formula is very comfortable. I bought like all the peachy like shades because I'm like obsessed with peach tones. Let me just take this off so we can see what this looks like on the lips. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. It's so pretty. This lip look matches so well with my look today. So pretty. So pretty. Next in the box, we got the liquid lip shade Poinsettia. Ooh, this is a nice like chromey red. Hopefully it looks nice on me because red is not really like my lipstick color. But this, you know, this is so nice. Yeah, it's definitely more burgundy-ish than anything. So pretty. Let's add a little bit. So this is what it looks like mixed with the gloss. It's actually like so pretty. So pretty. Okay, we have unfortunately just 2 more items in here. We have this and a mirror. Let me show you the lipstick first. It's the shade Candy Freeze, and this is the lip ammunition. This is the packaging. It's from the holiday collection. One of the, I think it's the summer collection. I must say this like bullet is like beautiful. Like the neon is just this chartreuse kind of beautiful color, and this is the shade Candy Freeze. It's very beautiful. I'm not really into shimmery pinky type of lipstick. That's just not me. I'll probably end up just giving this to my mom and my sister because they like it, but it's really nice and I'll try it on because why not. Now that I have it on, it's actually like, now that I'm looking at every angle here, here, and here, it's beautiful. It's not like a true pink with glitter. It's just like a lipstick topper. It's just like a glitter, pink glitter sheen, and it's really beautiful. Like really nice. It's definitely more shimmery in person than the camera's picking up. That's really pretty. So the last and final item is a mirror. I'm so excited. Oh, Jeffree Star mirrors are so nice. So I'm really excited to get this one. Oh. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Oh. It's gorgeous. Look how beautiful it is. I wish it was a black and orange one or the white and black one, because orange is not really my color like that, but I'll take it. I'll take it. The mirror is very like good quality. You can see yourself really well in, because you know some mirrors like they're like I don't know, but this one is just, you know, it's Jeffree, so of course it's gonna be good quality. This would have been super helpful for this look. I love it. I love the mirror. It's so nice. That is pretty much it in this box. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the Skin Frost, and the t-shirt, in a total of 8 items in this box. I would say, like, honestly, to me it was worth it. The only like item that I was just like, about was just the skin front, just because it's such a light shade. It's like not really wearable for me, but you know, I'm gonna try to reuse it, use it as inner corner highlight, use it as, you know, eyeshadow. We shall see. Body glitter, everything else I'm really happy with. It's like even the lipsticks, like red and this pink's not really for me, but I really love how the Candy Freeze lip ammo looked on me. And first of all, the best item, like honestly the only reason why I bought this mystery box is because I knew Amir was coming in it. I was like, I know his stuff is good quality, and I'm like so happy that I got the mini breaker palette. That was definitely a very surprising and shocking item in this box, so it definitely makes it super worth it to me. Definitely say that it's worth the $75. And you know, it's not just $75, like it's a total of $91 when you count in the shipping and the tax. That's how much you paid. Although it was that much, I still say this is worth it. I'm definitely gonna get use out of this, especially this mirror and this mini breaker palette and the glosses and the lipsticks. So I'm really happy about that, and I love the mystery skin frost. So I'm happy I picked up this box, because the last box I didn't pick it up because honestly the way like the colors and everything look, I didn't think it was gonna be worth it. And honestly, I made a good decision. I really didn't like the items in the last mystery box, so I'm so happy that I like it in this one. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Everything is at Karols Beauty. And like this video. Don't be shy. Click on that like button. Click on that bell notification next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a video. So that's all I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.